Today we're making Breadzilla Penne Arrabbiata. If you're out of last-minute lunch or dinner ideas, give this Italian recipe a chance, it is sure to be a crowd pleasure. Take a saucepan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add 500 grams beef in it and cook for few minutes. Add white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes and 3/4 cup passata. Mix it well and then add 1/2 cup of cream in it. Cover it and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Then add 500 grams cooked pasta in it. Mix it well and add 1/2 cup pasta water in it. Now take 7 to 8 slices of white bread. Then brush some garlic butter on both sides of white bread. Set the bread in a baking tray and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Now grate some mozzarella cheese on top and bake for 10 minutes. Spread pasta and mozzarella cheese on top and bake for 5 minutes. Now cut it in slices and delicious Breadzilla Penne Arrabbiata is ready to eat. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!